Josh here from your team at JC Installs. The Alpine CDE163, excellent stereo for a lot of reasons. We use it as a really nice sound upgrade for people that want a really good sounding audio system. It has Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth music streaming, USB input, auxiliary input, plays CD, AM, FM stereo. It's a really comprehensive sound system. So we use it as a step-up stereo, not your standard sort of go-to, because it is $449 and not everybody wants to spend that. It has triple RCA pre-out, so you end up with something that's going to be able to amplify fronts, rears and subwoofers, or of course it's got speaker level output, so you can run speakers off it as well. There's a lot of reasons why this is quite a nice sort of step-up unit, one of which is the features. So if we get into the features mode here, and we go into the audio, in here we've got crossover settings, so we can tell the speakers exactly what to do the job that you want done. We've got subwoofer control, we've got subwoofer phase control, time correction built into it. Time correction is really cool because all the speakers are different distances from your ear, and this way we can try and get them to hit your ear all at the same time. Changes the sound dramatically. We've got the ability to go through and change a lot of things in here, along with the 9-band parametric equalizer. And not only that, but it's got a color change display. If you've got a 2006 Audi A4, you might want it red, we can change that to red. You've got a 2003 Nissan, we can make it green. It gives us a good amount of flexibility as well as it's a lovely sounding stereo. That's the Alpine CDE163.